Sometimes on Instagram, you may have created an AI, but only you can use it. If you want others to use your AI too, you can set it to public. In this video, we'll explain how to make your AI public on Instagram. To do this, open the Instagram app. At the top, you'll see a message button. Tap it. Once you do, you'll notice a button like this one. Click it. That'll take you to AI Studio. At the top, you'll see all the AIs you've created. Choose the AI you want to make public. For example, I'm selecting this AI. Next, you'll see a settings option. Tap it. This will bring you to a page with an audience option. By default, it might be set to only me, meaning only you can use this AI. If you want everyone to use it, select everyone. After that, tap the Done button. Now the audience is set to everyone. Next, click the Publish option. Once you do, your AI will be published, meaning everyone can use it. That's how you can easily make your AI public. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.